In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your position on Binance Futures using the Binance app step by step. Whether you want to secure your profits or minimize losses, this guide will help you manage your trades more effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't yet downloaded it, head over to your App Store and install Binance. Once it's open, look for the Futures tab, which is prominently displayed at the bottom. This is your gateway to accessing your futures trading account. Under the Futures tab, the next step is to find your open position. Navigate to the section labeled Positions. Here you'll see a list of all your active trades, providing a real-time snapshot of your current market engagements. Carefully review them to identify the one you wish to close. Once you've located the open position you want to exit, tap the Close button next to it. This prompts you to choose between two types of closure methods, market or limit order. Selecting market will close the position immediately at the current market price. If you're aiming for more control over the price point at which you sell, select limit. This allows you to specify the exact price at which your position will close. Keep in mind that employing a limit order might not lead to an immediate closure if the specified price is not met right away. After deciding how you want to proceed, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to close. You have the option to close it partially or fully depending on your investment strategy and the financial goals you're aiming to achieve. Take a moment to deliberate on how much of the position you want to close. This decision is crucial in mitigating risk and maximizing returns. With your choices made, tap Close Position. The app may prompt you to confirm the closure through two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security to your transaction. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your decision. Once confirmed, your position will be effectively closed. There you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on closing a position using the Binance app. Mastering this process puts you in command of your trades and helps you to strategically align with your financial plans. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different scenarios until you feel comfortable executing these actions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy crypto and trading tutorials.